total solutions that we're talking about is the total package that we put together for Astrup Drug. You know, technology, purchasing, expense management, business consultation, you know, procurement, everything that we do for Astrup, we now have available for the independent store. It's the advantage of the total solution. We bring all the data. We'll be able to show each pharmacy owner how he compares to his peer group. And no one has that information now. We'll be able to tell him whether he got paid, you know, for a prescription, any prescription, and then whether he got paid at the right price, and how long it took to get paid. We'll show him how to control his inventory. We'll show him how to market. We'll show him how to get the maximum value out of his existing customers. It's really a chain, a large chain mentality for an independent store. It's the back office solution. We'll give him the chain back end so that the independent can focus on customer service, which is what they do better than the chains. And so you put them together. If you've got the chain back end and the customer service of the independent, it's going to be pretty hard to beat for anyone.